Welcome to Blackboard Training Made Easy. Today's video is about turning in your end of year grades, and I'm going to show you how to format your Excel spreadsheet. So I've got my Excel spreadsheet right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and open it. And this looks like an error message, but it's not. It's just saying that it was created with an older version of Excel. Just click the yes button right here and your spreadsheet will open up. I'm going to maximize it. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to highlight all of the grade columns for the 9 weeks averages. So here's the first 9 weeks average right here. I'm just going to take my mouse and I'm going to put it on the D column right here and just click on the column, and then I'm going to go to my paint bucket and I'm going to pick a nice easy color, easy to look at color. You see now I've got my first 9 weeks grade column highlighted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the second, third, fourth 9 weeks and first and second semester and final grade columns the exact same way. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, now I've got all my grade columns highlighted, all of the average columns, so that administrators can see those real easily. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on right here on the first student on their first name. I'm in column B in row 2, and then I'm going to switch over here to the view menu, and I'm going to click freeze panes, and I'm going to click the first freeze panes button right here. And when I do that, you notice it puts some lines on the page, and what this is going to do is when I scroll, it's going to leave the last names right here, and it's also going to leave the headers right up on the top. So if I scroll up and down, you see the top headers are still there, they don't move. If I scroll left and right, you see that the last name doesn't move. That's just going to make it easier on the administrators and people if they have to look at your spreadsheet over the summer to explain a grade to a parent. Now the last thing I'm going to do is real simple. I'm just going to scroll down here underneath my spreadsheet, and I'm going to type in some information about how I calculate my grade. So I'm going to say grades calculated by, and if you use total points, put total points in there. That's pretty much all you need to do. Or you could say grades calculated by weighted categories. And then you can put your categories underneath, like test equals 50%, quiz equals say 30%, and so on. You just type in the percentages. If you just use total grades, you just need to put that much. But whichever one you use, highlight all your information like that. Go up to the paint bucket, go back here to the home menu, and then go to the paint bucket, and I pick a color that kind of stands out, like yellow, and that way administrators or whoever has to look at your spreadsheet over the summer can understand how you calculated your grades. And that's it. We're done. The only thing we need to do is save. Now you remember that this spreadsheet was in an older version of Excel than the version that you have on your computer right now. So what you'll need to do is go up here to the Office button, click Save, come out here to Save As, and then here's the version that it's in right now. We're going to go up here and click Excel Workbook, and that's going to change it to Excel 2007. So I click that, and it goes back to my desktop. I'm going to click Save, and yes, I do want to replace it, and you're done. That's it. Thank you for watching.